What's up, my people? Blessing here, blessing the day trader here. You know, I don't know how long you have been struggling in the forex market, and if you have been struggling in the forex market, this is the right place to be for forex new ideas, for forex strategy, forex anything you want, any idea you want from forex. This is the right place to be. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share and comment. All right, see you. Let's go. All right. So let's talk about Euro USD from the 4-hour perspective. So now Euro USD, looking at Euro USD, we saw a series of higher highs and higher lows. You know, there was a high at the high, making a higher high, low, high, low, it make high again, came all the way, make low, consolidate, and then it moved here. When the NFP released, the news released, it break this low, came here to form another low, then form a high, then dropped all the way to make a low. Now I was expecting Euro USD to drop from here. I don't know what is going to happen though, but let's just watch. I can see a candlestick formation, a candlestick pattern formation is beginning to create. So after it's done creating, I will be looking for a multiple rejections to enter. So I'm just looking for that on the Euro USD and the looking from the daily as the higher time frame perspective, we can see that Euro USD. Okay, let's just check from the perspective. We can see that Euro USD price came all the way to hit, or price met this resistance. So that's what that's what's happening. I think Euro USD is rejecting from here, and we are expecting this resistance I saw on the 4-hour to work no more. So I'm expecting Euro USD to come all the way here to this resistance, right? So if you bought Euro USD here, congratulations to you. So going to the lower time frame, which is the 30 minutes, to check what's happening also on the Euro USD as a day trader, kind of scalping, as a scalper, you will be seeing Euro USD came all the way, was forming a series of lower lows and lower highs, right? It came here, it formed a high, a low, rallied all the way up. So we are expecting, I'm expecting a low to come again, right? I'm expecting a low to happen. Then before it rallied all the way up, the low has to come all the way to meet this low, right? I'm expecting it to meet this support before it goes up. Or there is also a support here. If you can see, there is also a support there. So I'm hoping for Euro USD to drop all the way to that downside before it rallies up. That's what I'm expecting on Euro USD from next week. So let's also check on different pairs like GBP USD. What is also going to happen on GBP USD, right? On GBP USD, I'll also be talking about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is now, Bitcoin is still falling. It has to fall more before um, Bitcoin needs to fall more before it rallies up. So if you are looking to buy Bitcoin now, it's very risky to be buying Bitcoin at this period of time. I think it has to go more down before it gets to really release up. So that's what I'm expecting on Bitcoin. But after this, I will check on Bitcoin to see what exactly is going to happen on Bitcoin. But here we are on the GBP USD. So let's talk about GBP USD, what is going to happen on GBP USD, and we are prepared for the next week when the market is open. So looking at GBP USD, we can see a ranging market at the level of higher resistance and higher support. I was trying to trade GBP USD on the 4 hour perspective last week when the NFP dropped. So I'm waiting for Euro GBP USD to hit this because I sold Euro GBP USD from the daily perspective because I know GBP USD is going to drop more. So let's see what is going to happen. No, it has broken. If looking at GBP USD from here, you can see GBP USD has broken, price has broken a structure, right? A structure is taking off. No, demand zones are broken. So we are expecting a supply to take over. Looking at this one, we've been looking at this way. You see that the last the last support is broken and the second support is also broken. So this is telling me GBP USD trend, this trend is over. I don't know what is going to happen. It can still continue or form a new trend, then release all the way up. But I'm expecting GBP USD to fall more, right? So I'll be putting my TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3, and last hour the TP4. So this is what, looking at from the daily perspective, this is what I see on GBP USD. So what about the lower time frame? Looking at the 30-minute perspective, what do we see on the 30-minute perspective? So on the 30-minute perspective, we can see a huge ranging market, right? We can see a ranging market. Also, we can find a trend inside. Also, we can see this was a downtrend. Also, we can see this was a downtrend. Also, we can see a downtrend market here, a series of lows, low, lower highs came all the way, and now we can see an uptrend, a series of higher highs and higher lows. So I am expecting a low to come all the way down here before it rallies up finally and finally. So this is what I'll be expecting on this day trading perspective from the GBP USD pair.